we're about commitment, whether it's to your spouse, whether it's to your job, whether it's to your sport. QALO really, it's about commitment.
QALO is a functional wedding ring company, and we were a couple of guys that got married, and we had worn metal rings that didn't really make sense with our lifestyle.
We solved the problem for us and then hypothetically solved it for millions of other people. We want to begin a movement to where people don't gauge their value on what their wedding ring is. It's about what's inside of you. Today, we've actually done a lot of IP work. We have new polymers that we've brought to market.
The retail side of the business at QALO has grown quite a bit. Before, the order forms were done through Excel, and then the actual shipping of the products sort of happened over here. And that's really where SAP Business One comes in, is giving us the ability to make sure that we can have everything in one location. What sets QALO apart is we wanted to create a brand and a culture that was totally different than what people are used to when hearing about companies and learning about brands. We are unique and genuine, and we are just looking to inspire people to recognize the small things in life that at the end of the day are the ones that really matter.
Thinking about the future with QALO, it's quite a big picture to fathom. Because we're not really trying to sell you a wedding band, we're really trying to sell you a way of life.
Business One gives us the opportunity to make it a very fluid, automated process.